Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming physical things. Cables plugged, speakers on, and no mute toggles engaged. This prevents wasting time. Next, open sound settings and choose the correct output. You often see multiple devices, so pick the one you expect. Once done, go to Device Manager or Updates to verify drivers. Missing or flagged drivers cause silence. If drivers are outdated, download the latest from the manufacturer or let Windows update them, because driver mismatch is a common root cause. Now focus on background systems. Restart the Windows audio service and any vendor audio processes. Stopping and restarting often restores output. If the problem persists, log into a different user account or boot safe mode to see if third-party apps interfere. This narrows down software conflicts. Also run the built-in audio troubleshooter and check the device properties for sample rate and bit depth. Mismatch settings can prevent playback. These steps diagnose whether the issue is system-level or app-specific. Finish with hands-on hardware verification. Swap cables, try different ports, and test with a known good headset or speakers to isolate the defect. If hardware checks out, reinstall or roll back the audio driver, then reboot and retest because driver reinstall often clears corruption. Once you've exhausted those, consider a system restore to a working point or collect error logs and contact the manufacturer. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent sound remains, test on another machine to confirm whether the device itself is faulty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.